again.
Not this time.
Ja, war nicht schlecht. War nicht schlecht, war schon gut. Hast du gut gemacht.
This one was invented by a writer.
Ma non era lui alla guida, probabilmente qualcun altro.
Era diabolico.
Che bugiardo.
Adesso era meno 18, meno 20.
Ma mia.
Che mi porta via la cabina del gatto.
No!
Vieni a tenermi.
There is nothing wrong with overtaking other vehicles, as long as the maneuver is completed swiftly and safely.
I don't know, man.
And this is just a brilliant move.
De l'agriculture en France, le conflit risque de perturber la production des prochains mois. Un nouveau problème alors que le milieu agricole.
Why are you doing this?
Die Zahl der verbotenen Autorennen steigt stetig.
Keep your eye on these two cars. It's tailgating in the extreme.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Almost. Yep. Okay. Nice. That was textbook there.
You see what low grade you made on your weekly mathematics test? More than half of you failed. Most of you passed. Nobody had 100%. This is the poorest class I've had in a long, long time.
Okay. All right, yes.
Most of you have no foundation at all. Now the trouble's with your attitude. You don't pay enough attention in class.
There was an attempt.
You don't know what the word study means. You haven't the slightest idea. Don't you realize that mathematics is an important subject? I tell you right now that unless you get over your lazy habits and come up to the standards I've set for this class, many of you will have the pleasure of repeating this course next semester.
Elle est presque là, cette victoire. Accélère. Oui, il va aller la chercher. Ne lâche pas. La victoire de Pierre Gasly.
Good luck, Jim.
There were cars everywhere.
Wie geil ist das denn?
This is one of the most beautiful cars ever made. And that's obvious the moment you first take a look at it.
It's fact.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Just what was Mr. Grimes' purpose in making such statements as these? This is the poorest class I've had in a long, long time.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Hardly the way to win friends or influence people.
Another one! This is one of the most beautiful cars from its time period because it still looks so good today. Fantastic.
B-Tech just kicked in, yo!
This is the Alfa Romeo Giulia. Alfa Romeo has no record of reliability, and they want you to pay $80,000 for this thing? Yes, they do, and it's worth every penny.
Thank you so much!